Grilling squid so tender and tasty. Who could have thought it would have been so easy? Don't forget the lemon juice. I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perfectly cook calamari with a zesty lemon marinade that's going to make your taste buds sing. So just sit back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. We'll be needing some squid hoods that have been cleaned and washed. Easy enough to prep using a sharp knife. Score one side of them and then slice into 2.5 centimetre strips. And then just pop these into a Ziploc bag ready for some marinade. You can use a Ziploc bag or a plastic container, whatever floats your boat really. Next up, we can add all of these ingredients into a bowl and stirring them up. Your only herbs and spices! And pour this marinade into the Ziploc bag with the calamari. Next up, we just need to push out all the excess air, then close it up, and then just toss it around to make sure it all gets covered, and we're gonna pop this in the fridge for half an hour. Relax! Relax! The ingredients are all listed in the... I saw your face. Relax! The ingredients are all listed in the description of the video. It is skewering time, and we all know what that means. Throwing these extra large toothpicks away. Superior metal skewers cost practically nothing these days. Plus, they're reusable, saving you money every time you use them. Stab the strips of calamari onto the skewer in a folding pattern and place them aside. Just make sure the skewers are all the same size. That way they'll all cook evenly. Today I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, because I want to be grilling over direct heat. So I'm going to open up the bottom vent to allow as much airflow to that fuel as possible. I'll half fill a chimney starter with lumped charcoal. I'll light it up, and once it's fully ashed over, I'll dump that into the GA. Then grabbing an old pair of tongs, click them twice, and spread out that charcoal. Pop the grill in place. Now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel. And while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time I click my tongs twice. The grill is ready and so are the skewers. And we want to work quick when we're grilling with calamari. Cook it too long and it turns to rubber. Don't cook it long enough and it swims away. So we're just going to pop these on the heat and we're going to give them 1.5 minutes per side. That's 1.5 minutes. So it's time to flip them. This isn't a cook you can walk away from, so make sure you've got a drink close by. Today I'm cooking with a high direct heat, and these calamari skewers are only going to take 3 minutes to cook. Or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Now 3 minutes may seem like a waste of charcoal, but if you've got more friends, you'll cook more of these up. The skewers are done, so off the heat they come. You just pop them on a platter and just serve with some lemon wedges. Squeezing fresh lemon juice over the calamari gives it a little zing. Trust me, I'm the zing king. Calamari this good should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.